मेरा दिमाग ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है। स्किन केयर दिस इज सो टायरिंग। स्वर्ग से उतरी अप्सरा। कम ऑन, फिल्म मेकिंग सीखी है मैंने।
एक्शन! आज मुझे पुणे पहुंचना था दोपहर तक जल्द से जल्द, सो मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठी और फिर मैं तैयार हो गई और हाँ बस रेडी होके निकली घर से। देन आई गॉट इनटू द बस। ये मेरा टिकट है। द बस दैट आई ट्रैवल थ्रू इज़ कॉल्ड शिवनेरी, जो पुणे जाती है। बस मैं कुछ देर मैंने सोने की कोशिश की और फिर नेल्स फाइल किए थोड़ी देर। और येस, इट वाज अ 3 hour जर्नी, बट लकीली आई गॉट द विंडो सीट एंड या सो पुणे पहुंचते ही मैंने एक ऑटो पकड़ी, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली बस मेरे डेस्टिनेशन तक नहीं जाती। आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ कष्ट आई हैव रीच्ड पुणे and I've reached the institute. I'm gonna go to my room now. It's a very beautiful institute indeed, and students come here to study, mostly like government job students.
So I just got into my room, guys. I'll just show you guys the room.
सो सिंस यहाँ गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स वाले स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते हैं, आपको पता चल गया होगा कि ये बहुत स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली रूम्स है। एंड या दिस जस्ट प्रिटी मच ग्रीनरी एवरीवेयर। इतना सारा ग्रीनरी गाइस, इज जस्ट सुपर ब्यूटीफुल। और ये रहा मेरा बड़ा सा बेड। एक इंसान के लिए ये बेड बहुत बड़ा है।
So I just got a call for an audition. Just took the notes quickly. And yeah, but first I'm gonna need to freshen up because I look like shit right now. So yeah, let me just freshen up and so that I don't look like shit anymore. And yeah, I'm gonna try to give the audition in a bit. I really need to rest as well. I've not slept at all. I'm really gonna need to rest today because this evening I'm gonna do quite a few tarot readings. I think I'll be doing at least 10 tarot readings. At least 10 tarot readings. There could be even more, but yeah, so far I think I'll be doing at least 10 tarot readings, and that can be really exhausting. So yeah, I'll just get started.
सो मैंने मेरा बैग अनपैक किया और फिर मैंने मेरा मुंह धोया। बहुत ज़रूरत थी फ्रेशन अप होने की।
I just freshened up. I'll quickly get into my comfy clothes now. What a transition, right? Come on. Film making सीखी है मैंने.
एक्शन!
I know it wasn't that great of a transition. Actually, I can do better. I can do much better. But yeah, I'm just trying to be as creative as I can. Also, मैं सोई नहीं हूँ ठीक से, तो मेरा दिमाग ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है. And I just realized कि मेरे पास माइक है पर मैं यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ इस वक्त, पता नहीं क्यों. But
why are you the way that you are?
Is my skin. Anyway, I'm just gonna rest a little bit, and before that I'll first prepare for my guest lecture today, and once that's done I will also have to get ready immediately because I have an audition, so I have to send that audition first because I don't think I won't be getting time tomorrow either. ऐसे ही होता है गाइस, सब कुछ हमेशा एक साथ ही होता है. देने वाला जब भी देता छप्पड़ फाड़ के.
देने वाला जब भी देता छप्पड़ फाड़ के.
So yeah, I'm not complaining. I will never complain. One thing that I'm still learning is time management. सीख रही हूँ धीरे धीरे गाइस, सीख जाऊँगी. मेरे में उम्मीद मत छोड़ो गाइस, उम्मीद मत छोड़ो. उम्मीद पे ही दुनिया कायम है. That's it.
That's gonna be my outfit for today. अब मैंने मेरा मेकअप करने का फुटेज शूट कर ही लिया है, तो देख ही लो आप लोग भी. एंड या थोड़ा फास्ट फॉरवर्ड कर देती हूँ ताकि आपको बोर ना हो. थैंक मी लेटर.
The weather in Pune has suddenly become, honestly speaking, I'm not liking the fact that my skin is not skinning, and yeah, it's just one of those days, you know. It is literally one of those days. That is why I'm dressed up in red also, I guess. But yeah, I don't think this is super bad.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Like, if this is what I look like in my bad day, just imagine what I look like in my best days. This is how I keep gaslighting myself and motivating myself all the time. This is what you should do as well. I wish I had my lenses today. I'm not really vibing today, to be honest, guys. And it also has begun raining outside, so I don't know what should I do about that.
कॉफ़ी कैन लिटरली फिक्स मी गाइज. मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ मुझे सिर्फ कॉफ़ी की ज़रूरत थी.
You guys need to see this. You guys need to see this.
So my lecture started at 6:30, and this is like a mixture of, you know, TED talk, and I talk about my career, then I discuss about motivation and confidence, and I also talk about modeling, acting, and then I do a lot of tarot readings. After the lecture we went to eat out, and yeah, humidity did this to my hair.
It's the humidity!
So guys, I just got back and got changed, and vlogging is a super tiring task, but अभी मैंने ठान लिया है करना, तो मैं करूँगी, क्योंकि मैं एक बार कमिटमेंट कर देती हूँ तो आगे का तो पता ही है आपको.
उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता.
Now I'm gonna take my makeup off, and I'm actually extremely tired and sleep deprived, so yeah, there isn't much, I don't know, there isn't much to say, but yeah, I really enjoyed. I always do, this is my third time here, and I always enjoy coming to this institute and doing this guest lecture session, and it's so much fun, and it's amazing talking to students who are from a different field, but yet there is so much to relate as humans. So yeah, it's always so much fun, guys. And yeah, I don't have much to say. I'm really tired, and guys, I'm definitely too tired, but I just thought I'll share this information with you guys. So this is one of my favorite minimalist serums, and I realized that recently that minimalist is making like these mini bottles uh, of their regular sized serums, and these mini bottles are really good when it comes to like traveling and stuff. So yeah, I purchased my favorite serum. There you go. So I'm bending right now and talking to the camera because I forgot to carry my tripod. Anyway, this is my uh, vitamin C moisturizer. This is one of the moisturizers that works for me. Another moisturizer of same brand, Garnier, which works for me, is like this red colored moisturizer. I think it's like of retinoid or something like that. And we're gonna layer it with one more moisturizer, guys. This is just like a normal mild moisturizer for face, because you know why? Because I'm an adult and I put as many things on my face as I want.
That's what she said.
Skincare, guys. You have to care for your skin, because sometimes your skin just doesn't care. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? I hope you guys heard that. Oh my god, like my mic. This is so tiring. Yeah, my skin still doesn't seem to care. This is just how my skin looks in this luteal phase or whatever the fuck they call it. इसीलिए औरतों को चांद से compare करते हैं, because we are going through phases. Oh my god, that makes sense, guys. That makes sense. So I have this condition called varicose veins in my feet, and basically my feet just swell up, and a lot of models have this condition. A lot of women who work on their feet. That is why I needed like hot water, but since this place does not have hot water right now, because it works on solar
heater or something like that. So I've just heated it in this thing basically, and yeah, I'm just gonna like pour it. And I got some salt from the kitchen. Itna sara salt. So I'm just gonna put my feet in the water and scroll through Instagram and YouTube and all of that, and emails. Just check my emails and everything on my phone. Finally, guys. Finally, guys. It was a great day, and I have nothing more to say. That rhymes. It was a great day, and I have nothing more to say. Very true. Facts. Only speaking facts, guys. नहीं बोल के इतना बात कर ही दिया मैंने आखिर, है ना? क्या करूँ, औरत जात, ज़बान पे लगाम नहीं लगता हमारे. देखा, अभी तक चुप नहीं बैठ रही हूँ अभी तक. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much my Pune vlog. But yeah, I'm just gonna sleep now. Thank you for watching my vlog. Bye. वंस अगेन मैं बहुत जल्दी उठी क्योंकि मुझे मुंबई बहुत जल्दी पहुंच के काम फिनिश करना था. मैंने मेरा कॉफ़ी बना लिया, कुछ 5 मिनट के लिए आई गेस रेस्ट किया, और फिर से निकली मुंबई के लिए. मुझे कुछ फुटेज नहीं मिला क्योंकि बहुत टायर्ड थी मैं, बट या मैं बॉम्बे आ गई और मैंने मेरा ऑडिशंस ख़त्म कर दिया. एंड या